Smashing up a few species today for a gold bar. Here's the before shot. Quite nice, pretty to break them up. They're just bashing away. Smashing these up. This one's not too bad, it's got quite a bit of gold in it actually. There's a bit there. Kind of see it all through there. Nice. These ones here, they're not really even, just flattened them out a bit. Must be mostly gold. Just sort of panel beating them. So those lumps I might just put straight into the crucible, and we'll try and burn the rest of the crap off. Very good. Alright, so that's that all crushed, and that's the big bits. So we'll pan that off and go from there. There's the clients. Not bad, it's a few grams there. Got the really fine stuff as well, so yeah. Work out a way to get that into the crucible now. Cool.